Hello and welcome back to the Sister Cousin Lifestyle channel. Today I am at my parents' home and I'm going to be doing a quick makeover of their screened in back porch. Now you can see here on the table they have plants on the table that have kind of taken up residence, and the table cannot be utilized for eating. And it's just in need of just a little bit of organization out here so that they can fully enjoy this space. So I'm going to start off with a little bit of light cleaning of the space, just kind of moving some things that don't need to be out there and doing some vacuuming. There's a lot of debris and everything that is on the porch. It is a screened in porch, so it does get a little bit of the elements inside when there's bad storms or blowing rain. So we just have to kind of keep this area neat as possible. Also, the seals and everything, window seals, if you will, they start to get really dusty, so they have to be kind of wiped down and keep them as clean as possible. Of course, when the next rain comes, there's an issue again, but you have to do a little bit of something. So this is what I've done. I've got a plant stand to move the plants off of the table and put them over here, leaving the space on the table for actually having a meal out here. So I did a little quick tablescape with items from the Dollar Tree. I've got some plates here and some towels and the little matching bowl. I thought those were so cute from the Dollar Tree, and the little cups, plastic cups, and then I did a little floral arrangement also from the Dollar Tree. Just a little simple change just to make this little area a little bit more appealing to for them to come out and have coffee in the morning or have breakfast or lunch or whatever out here on the porch. So that is basically all that I did. A very simple change. That plant stand came from Aldi. They're on sale this week for $19.99. I thought it was a perfect addition here to move the plants around so that they have their own home. And so now my mom can sit out here, and she's sitting out here admiring what I've done. I asked her if she liked it. She said she likes it a lot, so that's a good thing. So yeah, that's it for the little makeover. Very, very simple. The only thing that was added was the plant stand and the items from the Dollar Tree and a little bit of light cleaning. And I think this space looks a lot better and all ready for the summer season that is already approaching. I thank you so very much for watching. Have a great day.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.